In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Basecamp so it's tailored to the way you and your team work. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account. From anywhere in Basecamp, head to the main home area. This is your central hub where you'll see your projects, teams, and company-wide spaces. We'll start here so you have a clean, familiar starting point. From the home screen, look for the option to invite people. Click on Invite People to start adding teammates or collaborators. This is how you build out your workspace and make sure the right folks have access. You'll be taken to a screen that asks who you want to add. Choose the option for someone who works at your organization. This is for internal teammates who should have regular access to your Basecamp account. Follow the prompt to move forward, then click Next to continue. Here, you'll enter their details, like their name and email address. Take a moment to double-check the spelling because Basecamp will send an invitation directly to that email. If you're inviting several people, it's often easiest to add them one after another while you're already on this screen. Once that's done, we're going to switch gears and look at your own account and profile settings. At the top of the screen, look for your account or profile menu and open the section that covers your profile, password, and two-factor authentication. This is where your personal security and identity settings live. On your profile page, you may see a confirmation message after making edits, such as updating your name or avatar. Make sure any changes you've made are saved before moving on. Next, open the Preferences area of your account. This is where you customize how Basecamp looks and behaves for you personally. On this page, you'll see options for your theme. You can choose Always Dark if you prefer a darker interface, Always Light for a brighter look, or Same as OS if you want Basecamp to match your device's system setting. Pick whichever is easiest on your eyes. Scroll down to find your time zone and calendar preferences. Select the correct time zone so due dates and schedules line up for you. Then set which day your week starts on, such as Sunday, and choose whether you want a 12-hour or 24-hour clock. These small details make timelines and notifications much clearer. Finally, in Preferences, look for the Out of Office section. Here you can set times when you'll be away, so notifications and expectations are managed while you're not working. Once everything looks right, your Basecamp setup is complete and tailored to you and your team.